In this series, I'm going to be showing you how anybody can become a trader. Now the biggest problem is, most people think a trader needs to be some super intelligent wizard who does complex maths equations in his head. That couldn't be further from the truth. How do I know that? Because I myself am a complete idiot and I know how to trade. So what gives me the right to teach you this? Well, I'm the creator of Magic FX Academy. I'm a funded trader with my forex funds and I have years of experience in the forex trading field. Now, there's only really 3 things you need to become a trader, okay? And that's patience, discipline, and a strategy that works. Okay, that's all you need. So in this series, you're going to be learning what trading is, who it's for, how you can get into it, and the next steps you need to take to get started. So let's get on with it. So getting started, what is trading? Well, trading is simply the exchange of goods and/or services from one person to another. This could be on the stock market, the forex market, the cryptocurrency market, or anytime you buy your groceries, i.e. the supermarket. What controls the value of these items is the same thing across the board. It's supply and demand. For example, many products we use today require semiconductor chips to work, including cars, graphics cards, and video game consoles, meaning the demand for these things at the best of times is always high. Now, when the supply of these chips decreased due to a number of factors, the main one being COVID shutting down the factories that produce them, and at the same time, demand increased due to people being stuck at home and bored with a stimulus check burning a hole in their pockets. If we take graphics cards as an example, and also add the increased demand of people using them to mine crypto, we can see how demand really outweighed supply and the price of graphics cards skyrocketed. So when a bunch of people want something and there's not many of that thing to go around, then the suppliers can pretty much set the price to whatever the most desperate people will pay. Think of it as an auction like eBay, where the price increases until nobody wants to pay any more than the last bidder. At this point, the supplier will naturally have to drop the price they're offering to sell the product for, as demand will have decreased at that price level. This balance of supply and demand happens across the board in all markets and is the reason for the fluctuations in price. This movement of price is what you may have seen represented in chart form whenever you've come across the idea of trading before. A chart is telling you the value of price on the Y or vertical axis, and the time scale on the X or horizontal axis. For me, on a simplified level, trading means betting whether price is going to go up or down next. Now, what information do I need to place these bets? Well, everything I need to know is on the charts themselves. I don't need to follow the news, do advanced quantum equations, or use a bunch of complicated indicators with spazzy names. I can just look at the movements of price to see where there are particularly strong zones of demand or supply. Sound simple? Well, that's because it is. You do not need to be Einstein to do this. You just need the 3 things I said before. 1 is a strategy that works. You can start by watching the lessons on my channel. If you want to take it to the next level, join my academy. The second was discipline. You have to be able to follow a set of rules strictly and have control of your emotions. The third was patience. While trading itself can be simple, the process to become a consistent trader is a long and hard one.
That's what she said!
Learning the strategy is the easy part. The discipline is where most traders fall apart. Those who do conquer their minds will unlock their full potential and discover who they really are on their journey. If this sounds like something that suits you, then get on the journey and tune in to next week's episode where I'll be going over how to use TradingView, which will be your main tool for analysis as a trader.